In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose direct deposit for your refund and enter your bank details securely. To get started, go to the File section of your return. This is usually the area where you review final filing details, select delivery and payment preferences, and confirm how you want to receive your refund. Take a moment here to make sure everything else in your return is already in good shape, because this section is often one of the final steps before submission. Once you're in the File section, look for the refund options and choose Direct Deposit. This option is typically the fastest and most convenient way to receive your refund since the money is sent electronically straight to your bank account. It also helps you avoid delays that can sometimes happen with mailed paper checks. When you select Direct Deposit, the system will usually open the fields needed to connect your refund to the correct account. Next, enter your routing number and your account number exactly as they appear on your bank information. It's important to type these carefully because even one incorrect digit can send your refund to the wrong place or cause processing delays. The routing number identifies your financial institution, while the account number tells the system which specific account should receive the funds. If you're using a checking or savings account, make sure you're entering details for the account where you actually want the refund deposited. If the platform offers financial institution sign-in through OAuth, you may also have the option to log in securely through your bank instead of entering the numbers manually. This can be a helpful choice because it may reduce data entry mistakes and pull the correct account details directly from your financial institution. If you use that option, follow the on-screen prompts carefully and make sure you're connected to the intended account before moving forward. Before you continue, double-check all banking information one more time. Accuracy here is extremely important, and taking a few extra seconds can save you from unnecessary issues later. Once everything looks correct, you can proceed to the next stage of filing with more confidence, knowing your refund option has been set up properly. That's it. You've now selected direct deposit and entered the information needed to receive your refund electronically.